Setting up a California LLC doesn't have to be a complicated, drawn-out process. If you know exactly what the state asks for, you can demystify the entire procedure using a straightforward 12-step checklist. Before we start filing anything, you need to gather 4 things: a few solid ideas for your business name, a physical street address inside California, $70 to cover the state filing fees, and a stable internet connection. We will also navigate the common traps that catch new business owners off guard, specifically instant application rejections, third-party IRS scams, and the state's mandatory annual tax. Once you gather those prerequisites and know exactly where the pitfalls are, this entire bureaucratic maze transforms into a simple, predictable data entry task. Step 1 starts at the Secretary of State's website. Step 1 is choosing your name. Your business name legally requires a specific identifier, like Limited Liability Company or LLC. You'll use the BizFile online portal to run a business search and confirm your name is available in the state database. Step 2 requires appointing a registered agent, an individual or service available during business hours to receive legal correspondence. Notice the strict instruction next to the address line. You must provide a physical California street address. P.O. boxes will trigger an immediate rejection. Forgetting the LLC designator in the name or trying to route official mail to a P.O. box are the 2 most frequent reasons the Secretary of State kicks new applications back to the sender. Step 3 initiates the official paperwork. You will fill out Form LLC-1, known as the Articles of Organization. Doing this online costs exactly $70. Step 4 is filling out the form itself. You'll input your verified business name, the principal business address, and the contact information for the registered agent you just appointed. In Step 5, you carefully review all those inputs. Once you confirm the data is accurate, you'll type your name to apply an electronic signature, pay the filing fee, and submit the document. Step 6 is the waiting period. When filing online, it typically takes just 1 to 2 business days to receive a filing acknowledgement and a stamped copy of your approved Articles of Organization. Receiving that stamped copy means the state officially recognizes your legal entity. However, your business is not ready to actually operate. You still need an internal governance structure and federal recognition before you can take on clients. Step 7 is creating an operating agreement. You don't file this document with the state, but it is legally vital. It outlines who owns what percentage of the company, the daily management duties, and how profits will be distributed. Step 8 is securing an EIN from the IRS to pay taxes and hire employees. Make sure you apply directly at irs.gov. Third-party services charge a premium, but the official IRS process is completely free. Step 9 is opening a dedicated business checking account. You will bring your stamped Articles of Organization and your new EIN to the bank to open an account exclusively for company finances. By drafting an operating agreement, securing federal recognition, and running your money through a separate bank account, you create the exact legal mechanism that shields your personal assets from any business liabilities. Step 10 moves to local compliance. Certain industries require special permits, and many local governments require a general business license. You can use the CalGold website to search for the specific requirements in your city or county. Step 11 covers ongoing state obligations. Every 2 years, file a statement of information for a $20 fee. Additionally, you must pay a mandatory $800 annual LLC tax to the Franchise Tax Board, due the 15th day of the 4th month. Step 12. You have completely formalized your business. Your entity is legally established and compliant. By addressing the strict naming rules up front, separating your finances with an EIN, and preparing for the ongoing local permits and annual franchise tax, your LLC will remain in good standing, ensuring that your new legal shield stays intact.